Alright then, I got this in the post today. I'm going to show you how to fit it. It goes to a Ring doorbell, and it's the power pack basically to a Ring doorbell. You got it off of Amazon, about £13. So it's 18 volt AC, 500 milliamps. Comes with a long lead, about 6 meters, 2 wires at the end. It also comes, for a Ring doorbell you need this, apparently. There we go. Got to put that in line, just to solder it in. Yeah, this video is about that basically. Hopefully it will all work. So about halfway along the wire, I've pulled the wires apart. You can see about halfway. Yep. And I'm going to solder the resistor in there like that, and then tape it up. Doesn't matter which wire because there's alternating current, so voltage swaps over between each wire, and I'll show you the finished product in a minute. Alright, that's the finished article, all soldered in place. You can see, oh, great solder, but okay. Now I'm just going to wrap some black tape around it to insulate it, and job done. And see if it all works. Alright, I've just drilled a hole in the door, passed the wires through, which is there now. That one's situated on the door, but your one's a bit different. So I've got 2 wires in there. And you've got 2 screws on here, one for each wire. I'm just using an electric drill for each quickness. Just wind them off a little bit. Doesn't matter which wire goes where. And I normally find whichever way the screw does up is to wind it round that way. So we'll do that one first. And screw it up. Right. Just turn my drill down a bit. And then the same with this one, making sure the wires don't touch. Okay, now it's got it. Pull the wires back through the other side for a minute. I'm going to tackle this up once it's all been tested. Make sure it does work. And then doorbell back on. I'm not actually going to do the screws up at this moment. You've got little screws on the bottom. This blue ring should go blue to say it's charging. Hang on a minute. Right, just turn this. I'm just doing the initial plug in at the moment to make sure. Like I said, there's plenty of wire on this, so about 6 meters. Something like that. Don't wrap it around your foot like I just did. So